Hey everyone, Adrienne here, Indiana Backyard Gardener. I just got home from a trip to Cedar Point in Ohio, and I am about to check on the garden. So let's go see if we have any surprises and how did the garden do while we were gone. We did get a lot of rain Wednesday into Thursday, so I'm hoping that was enough to sustain the garden. So let's check it out. The first thing I notice is my sunflowers. Look at that. They are blooming and there are pollinators around them. Very nice. It was a nice sight to see. So the first thing I want to check on is the tomatoes that I transplanted before I left. I was afraid. See, there's a whole bunch of water in there, so that was all the rain we got. Looks like a few inches. So I just really wanted to check on these. These were for the Grow and Groceries collaboration, and I was afraid after I had just newly transplanted them that they were not going to do well. So there are two tomatoes that I planted on this side. For whatever reason, they just really did not do well at all from the get-go. So those two are, unfortunately, those two are gone. And then over here, lots of weeds coming up. But this tomato is doing good, and so is the other one there. And the pepper, that was the Marconi Rosso Pepper. I've got a new bloom on my zinnia. This one was blooming when I left. There's a bloom there. And it looks like this one might get another bloom before it's all said and done. So yeah, I got a little bit of weeding to do in here, but I do have still two tomatoes and a pepper that survived in this bed. Nice. I'll take it. Another thing I'm noticing is that my grapes are turning colors. So they're not green anymore, so they have started to turn colors now. They are starting to get ripe. I wonder if this is ripe. No, it's not coming off very easy. Well, maybe. Let's give it a taste. And it's probably going to be sour. Here we go. So sour. Yeah, that's sour. So anyway, the grapes are starting to turn colors. This really has gotten overgrown here. Like this whole tree, I guess you want to call it. I think it's mulberry. I think it is. It had like these little berries on it, and then they were gone. So I don't know if this is mulberry or not, but I thought it was. That's why I left it alone. But it's getting tall, and I'm gonna probably have to cut it because I don't want all of this tall stuff. All right, let's go inside and see what we got. Before we go in, I did want to just take a peek over here. These are sunflowers, but these are the black oil sunflowers that I put, like, you know, a whole handful, and I just planted them in a box. Bee balm is still blooming. Look at that. The bee balm is still blooming. I don't know what this is. It looks like it's probably a weed, but I don't know. These marigolds are super tall. I mean, super tall. They're like all the way up to the top of the fence and no blooms. And I believe those are all nasturtiums that also have no blooms. The blackberries are getting black. Blackberries are getting black. Look how red they are. That's like so red. They're so red before they're black. But yeah, those are looking real good. Let's check over here. This is a random volunteer squash. And I guess it's doing all right. The sweet million tomatoes are doing okay. Basil is doing okay. The watermelon that I have there, it's running on the fence, so that's a good sign. Oh, what's this? That is something different there. That cucumber really took off with that rain. So it's going all the way inside the fence now. Nice. Very nice. The other one, not so much. It's not as far along as this one here, but I'll take it. Let's go back. Let's go in now. All right. So coming down this way, I can see that lots of cilantro has gone to seed. Fresh lemon balm coming in. Looks like the cucamelon has started to climb. Nice. This pepper here looks like it was trying to do something here. There's a flower on it. So yeah, that one looks good. I'm almost sure I should have some fruit on here. Oh, there's one there coming down that way. This is the tromboncino squash for the growing groceries. Oh, wow, look at that one. What a surprise. Wow, that was not there. That is from being gone for 4 days. And I have a whole new squash. 4 days, guys. And I came back to a whole new squash. These are the beans. They should have some beans in there. I don't. Oh, I do see some. Look at this. I got beans. I got beans, guys. So I'll have to look in there deeper and see what I can harvest. Calendula blooming and seeding and blooming and seeding. Still no blooms on the 4 o'clocks, but they're still alive. Let's see, how did that okra do? Wow, this really just is taking over here. This wood sorrel, it's really just, yeah, that's gonna have to come out of there. It's getting to be a bit much over here. I can't even see what I planted. All right, so there's a few okras and they're still doing good. This here is just ridiculous. So yeah, the okra looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 okras. Ooh, wow, look at these blackberries. They are huge. Wow. That's good. Very good. All right. I think all the cucumbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, some are doing better than others, naturally. Oh, I got a watermelon. Well, is it a watermelon? I think it's a tiger melon. Or a Kajari melon. Oh, there's 2. Look at how cute they are. That's cute. Wow. I can't get over that squash, you guys. My goodness. What a difference some rain makes. These tomatoes here are beautiful. These are the Sweet Million tomatoes. They are beautiful. Very, very nice. I'll be harvesting some of those. I let these radish seeds up here so they could dry. Feels like they're pretty dry here, so probably take those and start separating them. This is the cantaloupe that I got from Miss Shirley, and I can see there are some cantaloupes coming on. Oh yeah, there's another one there. So, yep. So that's exciting too. These are sun sugars. I'm gonna have to get these tied up. These are gonna have to get tied up. Sun sugars. Look at the San Marzanos. Wow. What a surprise. Oh, the zinnias. Look at how beautiful it is. My goodness. Isn't that a beauty? This one too. So I love this one because it has all these layers to it. I love that. This one too, it's so vibrant. Very nice. But yeah, I'm happy about those San Marzanos finally coming in. Peppers. Looks like they're trying to come in. Might need to do some maintenance here for these peppers. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. Let me get you guys a better angle. Yep, there we go. What a difference. Here. Nice. Oh my gosh, this is turning colors already. And this is dead. So, yeah. So the zucchini is dead. I'm guessing it was the vine borers because I was under the impression that there was some vine borer damage. And yeah, so no cucumbers. More Sweet Millions. I'm sorry, San Marzano. Sun sugar. I definitely have to get out here and harvest. I don't know what happened to the cucumber. Is it alive over here? Where'd it go? Doesn't look good over here. Doesn't look good. But I got some banana peppers. There's one there. And there's one down in there. So there's banana peppers to harvest. need some Anaheims. Oh yes, look at that baby. Wow, that's a beauty right there. That is beautiful. Very nice. Have to get that harvested. I'm sure there's more. But no sign of yellow squash that I can see. Yeah, I'm not seeing any yellow squash. Wow, this is all weeds. But I do see the watermelon climbing the fence there. I'm gonna have to get in here. These weeds are not supposed to be here. The blueberry is getting strangled over here by this weed. Oh my gosh. Terrible. Wow, look at the grapes. Nice. Jalapenos. This plant just wants to tip over. They're coming on. Yeah, I can see a few of them. So that's cool. I will have a few jalapenos. All right, let's walk around this side and see if there's anything I missed. Oh, I can see one cucumber. Just one. Well, I'll come back and harvest everything together. There are definitely some signs of some disease, maybe. So I should get out here and treat some of this stuff. But overall, after being gone for 4 days, I'm pretty satisfied with the garden. Yep, it has definitely maintained. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the video. I just wanted to walk around and get a quick update on the garden and the collaboration things that I got going on for the growing groceries and the weird container garden, which is over. That was these flowers that I have in the boxes. So they're still hanging on and they're still doing good. I got to get all these weeds out of here. And the growing groceries is also doing good. I've got 2 tomatoes, a pepper, and my squash is still going strong. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for walking around with me to check on some things. And till next time, the more you know, the more you grow. Bye, guys.